Welcome to linuxhelp.com. For today's topic, I will show you how to install and register GitLab Runner on CentOS. GitLab Runner is an application that works with GitLab CI and CD to run jobs in a pipeline. GitLab Runner is an open source and written in Go language. You can install GitLab Runner on several different supported operating systems. Other operating systems may also work as long as you can compile a Go binary on them. GitLab Runner can also run inside a Docker container or be deployed into a Kubernetes clusters. So now let's proceed with the configuration steps. So now first log in to your GitLab account. So after login, select a project of your GitLab account. After going into the project, you need to go into the setting, then select CI/CD setting. In CI/CD section, you will find a runner section here. Expand the runner section. In the runner section, you will find there are two sections, specific runners and shared runners. For this tutorial, I am just selecting only the specific runner section. In the specific runner section, you will find all the steps shown here. To set up a runner, first you need to install the runner on this machine. And after that installation, we need to register that with this IP. So just click this link here. This is the GitLab docs page will open. Here we need to select the operating system on which we are installing the GitLab Runner. To install on GU and Linux. Go to into the download section. Now add the official GitLab repository using this code. Paste this code on terminal. It will take some time. The repository is now set up. Now we can install the packages. Now to install the latest version of GitLab Runner, first use this command here. It will install the latest version of GitLab Runner. Give yes. It will take some time in downloading. Now give yes. Now it is installing. Now installation of GitLab Runner has been completed. After installing, the next step is to register the GitLab Runner. For a register process, click on the register a runner. It will direct you the link for the register runners. To registering a runner on a different platform is a different method. For a Docker, we need to follow these steps. For a Linux, we need to follow some different steps. To register a runner on Linux, we need to run this command. Copy this code and paste on your terminal. Now it will ask for enter the GitLab instance URL. By default, if you are not running a GitLab server on your private machine, on your private server, so in that case you need to provide that URL here. Or if you log in with your gitlab.com, then you can provide the https://gitlab.com. In this case, we are running our own server, so we need to provide that GitLab URL. For that, we need to go in our server. You can see here, register the runner with this URL. I'm just copying this link URL and we'll paste here and press enter. Now it will ask for the enter the registration token. Go to that page again, and this is the registration token. Copy this and paste here. Enter. Enter a description for the runner. You can give any description. I'm just putting CI. Enter tags for the runner. For tagging, we need some flags here, just like a CI, and we can put also pipeline. Now the runner is registering. Now it will ask for enter an executor. For an executor, there are multiple options here. You can select any one of them. For here, just now I am selecting on the cell section here. And you can see here runner registered successfully. So this is the method to install runner on your system. So now to check is runner is registered successfully, we need to just refresh this page here. It will show runner here. Now go to your runner section, expand it, and below now you can see available specific runner. So this is the runner we are running for this project. You can also run multiple runners, or for a single project or some different projects you can also select a specific runner. So this is the method to install and configure runner for your project on a GitLab. If you like it, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.